Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be designing this slide and then create this morph transition animation in PowerPoint. Alright, let's get started. To begin our tutorial, we're going to need a new blank slide. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create all the other slides, you can check out the description box below to the link to those. I'm going to come over to new slide and I'm going to create a blank slide. Next, we're going to go over to shapes and I'm going to go over to rectangles and I'm going to use this shape, the rounded corners rectangle. And I'm just going to draw one here. I'm going to change the height of this to 9.6 and the width is going to be 5.65. And now I'm just going to grab this handle and make it just round out the corners as much as it will go. And then remove the outline, go over to shape fill and then use this color, that orange color. And I'm going to move this rectangle, and if I put my mouse here, what I want is for keep your eyes on the ruler here, so whenever I move my mouse is going to show where my cursor is. I'm going to select it, hold Ctrl and Shift and then create another copy, and then I'm just going to create more copies till we cover the entire top of our slide. And I'm just going to move this. While you're selected on shape, in the shape format, go to align and I'm going to align right. And I'm just going to select all of them just to make sure we don't have any gaps. Go to align once again, distribute horizontally. I'm going to zoom out, select all of this, hold Ctrl and Shift, and I'm going to bring another set of these down. And the height for all of this, I'm going to make it 16.5. And yeah, this is what we are going to have. Now we can go ahead and add in our text. So go over to the shapes tab and I'm going to grab text and I'm going to come here. So the title for this slide is our creative process, and I'm going to paste, select the entire text box. Let's change the font to Montserrat extra bold and size is 44. Change the alignment of text to center, increase the width of the text so we have all of our text on one line, and then align it to the center of your frame, of your slide, sorry. And I'm going to duplicate this. You hear me switch between slide and frame. I apologize for that. I'm a UI UX designer and I work with Figma. So to me, when I say something like this, it just looks like a frame to me. So I say frame. When I say frame, I'm referring to the slide. I'm going to change this text to, I'm trying to search for it. I can't, so I'm just going to navigate there. We're going to use Montserrat for this, and we are going to make the text size 22. And I'm going to copy this, select the entire thing, and then paste. I'm going to just, let me see, increase this. So my text is on 8 lines. Let me just increase it a little bit. Let's say something like this. And I'm going to align it to the center or the middle of our slide, and I'm just going to move it down a bit. Now that we have our text and our slide, maybe I can just move this one a little bit. I think I prefer that. All right, now that we have this, we can now go ahead and add in our transition and create our morph animation. Select this slide and then Ctrl D to duplicate. Select the slide above. I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to select the entire content on this top section, and I'm going to move everything up and out of our slide frame. I'm going to zoom out. Let me see. Hold Control, deselect this one, move everything up, say like this. Control, select this one, move the rest up like this. Deselect this. I'm going to move everything up. Let me zoom out. I'm going to do the same for this one, and I'll keep going till I've done that for all of them. Select this, and I'm just going to move the text a little bit. I'm going to select all of the items here, and I'm going to do the same thing. So use your down key and bring this down. Hold Control, select this, bring it down like this. Let's say just about there. I'm going to select that. Let me get a bit closer. Oops. Let me zoom out and let me just select this. I still have to move this just a little bit more. Control, deselect, hold Control, deselect, same thing till you get to the last one. And then I'm going to select this one, and I'm just going to move the text box out of frame. So for frame number 22, we're going to go over to transitions. Let's use the push transition and go to effect options, make it from right, increase the duration to 2 seconds, select slide 23, make it a morph transition, and we are going to increase the duration to 3 seconds. Let's go back to slide 22 and open our slide in the slideshow view so we can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to click, and we have this blank screen, and then I'm going to click on this, and we are going to have our elements in our slide. And yeah, that is it for the creative process slide. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create the other parts of this tutorial, I could just show you where we have our other slides that have been created. You can go ahead and check out the description box below to the links to those videos or the course playlist, or you could click on the video on playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.